Hi, welcome to Inflow brand new office. Let me show you around. Here, we believe in a collaborative space where every team plays a crucial role. This is our working space, and please meet the production team. They meticulously inspect all the garments to ensure the highest quality standards for our valued customers. These are the clothing samples we are working on right now. Not only clothing, we also have a wide range of accessories. This is where our sales team operates, the hub of connection and partnership. They work persistently to build relationship, ensuring Inflow's product is going to reach the right market. Our marketing team is the engine behind Inflow brand visibility. They are the creative mind that drives our campaign, ensuring Inflow is going to stand out in the fashion market. And our common space, where spontaneous brainstorming sessions spark new ideas. And here is our tech team table, the backbone of our digital infrastructure. They keep the platform running smoothly, ensuring a seamless experience for clients. Hey! And last but not least is our administration team table, where the gears of our office run smoothly. They manage our operations and ensure everything organized behind the scenes. This is our resting space, where team members come unwind and recharge. Now this is the meeting room, where strategy discussion and brainstorming session happens.
When you give me shockwave.
And lastly is our kitchen and dining area, where team members come refuel, recharge, and bond over meals. As you can see, Inflow is not only about productivity, but also about collaboration. This is where innovation thrives and teamwork shines. Oh,